My dear friends, welcome to Treecasa. This is the amazing jungle location where the Shaktipat Retreat will take place. And today I just want to show you this real jungle gem. Come with me. So when you will be arriving, this is where we'll welcome you. Oh, look at that. So first of all, let me show you around a little bit. We're going to be going to different areas here in the Treecasa resort, which will be available for you to enjoy during the whole duration of Shaktipat. This is where all of the houses are in the midst of jungle. So let me show you one of the places that you are going to stay in the Shaktipat Retreat. Come inside. So this is the so-called garden house, and as you can see, everything in Treecasa Resort is very natural, very earthy. There's lots of trees, lots of wooden material which is being used. Come inside, I want to show you one of the amazing rooms, which is one of the shared occupancies here. Oh, really good quality beds. And amazing view there. To a balcony for you to enjoy. Look at this. This hammock here, is to die for. This is a beautiful view here from one of the houses. I especially enjoy it so much. Imagine coming after the morning meditation to here, using the hammock and just relaxing, taking in the peace. Wow. Come and let me show you the pool area. Let's go to one of the tree platforms. What an amazing view. The garden is just so rich and lush. There is the pool for swimming, and on the right side is the natural pool. I really hope it makes your appetite increase to be in such a beautiful jungle location. Enjoy the serenity, the peace that this beautiful place has to offer. And together we can all join and enjoy the Shaktipat Retreat.